Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Application Gateway. Let's understand what is Azure Application Gateway. Azure Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer that enables you to manage traffic to your web applications. Traditional load balancers operate at the transport layer (OSI layer 4 TCP and UDP) and route traffic based on source IP address and port to a destination IP address and port. Azure Application Gateway can do URL-based routing and more. This type of routing is known as the application layer (OSI layer 7) load balancing. Application Gateway can make routing decisions based on additional attributes of an HTTP request. For example, URI path or host headers. For example, you can route traffic based on the incoming URL. So if images are in the incoming URL, you can route traffic to a specific set of servers known as a pool configured for images. If video is in the URL, that traffic is routed to another pool that's optimized for videos. Let's understand Azure Application Gateway features. Azure Application Gateway supports SSL, TLS termination at the gateway, after which traffic typically flows unencrypted to the backend servers. This feature allows web servers to be unburdened from costly encryption and decryption overhead. Azure Application Gateway Standard _v2 supports autoscaling and can scale up or down based on changing traffic load patterns. Autoscaling also removes the requirement to choose a deployment size or instance count during provisioning. A standard _v2 application gateway can span multiple availability zones, offering better fault resiliency and removing the need to provision separate application gateways in each zone. Web Application Firewall (WAF) is a service that is a part of an application gateway that provides centralized protection of your web applications from common exploits and vulnerabilities. URL path-based routing allows you to route traffic to backend server pools based on URL paths of the request. Multiple site hosting enables you to configure more than one website on the same application gateway instance. This feature allows you to configure a more efficient topology for your deployments by adding up to 100 websites to one application gateway for optimal performance. Application Gateway provides native support for the WebSocket and HTTP/2 protocols. There's no user configurable setting to selectively enable or disable WebSocket support. Application Gateway allows you to create custom error pages instead of displaying default error pages. You can use your branding and layout using a custom error page. The Application Gateway Standard is offered in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Small instance sizes are intended for development and testing scenarios. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook about Azure Application Gateway. For more audiobooks, please check our site cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.